In this new video, you will now discover multiple operators in Python, and how to use them. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. Types of operators. Depending upon the type of operations you want to perform, there are 7 types of operators in Python. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators, logical operators. Logical operators, and, or, and not operators are used to compare two conditional statements. The logical operators modify and join together expressions, evaluated in Boolean context, to create more complex conditions. When you use the AND operator, the expression will return true, if both operands are true. Whereas using the OR operator will only result in true, if at least one of the operands is true. Finally, the NOT operator will only give true, if the Boolean expression as the operand is false. In this tutorial, you discovered multiple operators that Python supports, so you can combine objects into expressions. You should now have quite a good understanding of the assignment, logical and comparison operators. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.